All right. This world is full of evil, wickedness in the high places. Even me that we are seeing here, I'm not righteous. I'm not a righteous man. There is no way I'm righteous or I'm a saint. I'm not. I've done so wrong than good. Yeah, lately. It dey happen. You get me? Human beings in our hearts is always wickedness. You can't change it. It has been there even from a childbearing, from birth, in your mother's womb self. You don't dey think of bad thing, how you want to kick your mother belly, how you want to destroy. It has always been in the hearts of men. As long as a human being or a living thing self, even animals practice it. Animals kill each other for food. That is wickedness. That is evil. Animal will snitch on their brother. Because of a predator attack, they are going to step back and watch that one being consumed. So there is nothing new again under the sun. Wickedness in the highest. But it doesn't make it that our good will not have to show. We still have to bring forth our little good in a little possible means that we can. Yeah, we have to still grab the bull by the horn. Nevertheless, that we are bad, we can still do something to change our situation. Our circumstances can also be altered. There is something that can happen, that can change. You can be bad maybe in the aspects of family planning. You can be bad maybe in the aspects of business. You can be bad in politics. Doesn't mean you are bad in all ranks. These people, the people that are calling you bad in politics, they love you. Your family is there, they love you. Terrorists that are terrorizing the states, their family all love them. So in one way or the other, you are not going to be bad in every areas. That is some side you will be good. I want to share this little message to us, and I pray that we learn. And when we learn, it's going to help us build more. I still remain your boy Anonymous. Don't play, or you're going to learn the hard way.